In Golden here, I got some broke down looking cars. An old Dodge Fifth Avenue, tan Fleetwood, Cadillac Fleetwood, somebody's SDX. Then we got this little gem all hidden down in the corner here. It's a 69, 68, 69 I think, half ton. Those are weird looking lights on top. This one's been here a while. It's got some special door paint patina on it. Seat's gone. Standard 3 on the tree. What's left of a canopy. It's like the box is still in pretty good shape. The back of it's not too bad. Oh, she's a rust. She's gone. Rusty gone. Oh, check out this bumper. It's heavy duty, old school bumper. Oh, she's got the wimpy little frame. The wimpy frame. This might even be older, 67, 60, 68 maybe. Let's see if she's got anything under the hood. Yeah, I got old 360 or 390. Old school, probably 260. Well, the fender's gone. Rust has taken this one. There's a rust bucket. Glass insured 85, I think. I don't think that's original bumper either. This is Golden. Camp spot for the night. Maybe this is where they abandon the cars. I don't know. Got some other junk near our campsite. Well, not our campsite, our overnight boondock. But here's an old truck. Oh, that's a sign, some sort of sign. Old concrete. It's a Bronco with a plow. Honda, a couple Honda CRVs. Looks like there's a Dodge hidden back here. Dodge Charger possibly. A Winnebago. Old GMC school bus. A bunch of garbage. Couple OBS's over there. Ancient old trailer.